I'm looking. What's your point?
I'm just saying, keep watching, right? Then explain to me what that is.
Whoa. Huge air time.
Out of
That's
bounds.
so cool.
Okay. It guesses where the boss room is. Loses, I guess. He's got like these fucking... Just... I don't... Like, what the fuck is that? Floor 1 boss is dead, and you're like, damn, he's good time. Right? A minute and already killed the floor 1 boss. I wonder how long it's going to take for him to do floor 2. Then watch this.
Boom.
That's suboptimal. Suboptimal.
I think it's skill at that point.
Wait for it.
I'm waiting.
That's it. Isn't that shit crazy? That's
Oh my god, imagine speedrunning like that. What a legend.
1 minute 26 by free 1 taps of the first 2 floors. Oh, let me see how long ago was that video. That was in... Yeah, that was 2 years ago in 2023. Yeah. Has any of that been patched? You know what? I don't know. It's time to find out.
Time to try that in your latest version of the game.
Yeah, let's see if we've made any improvements to the game since. They used timing 2. This one. And another spell. Okay. They had like a... Hold on. They were doing something where like they were switching between these, but like... Hold on. How did they do this? Because they like activated this spell, then swapped it out. Oh, wait. I got it. Okay, we could start by fixing this bug. That might be a good idea.
What was the bug exactly?
I don't even know how to describe it. But when you're switching between... Like, you can activate the spell, then switch between it, and something breaks, and it keeps it there. It doesn't despawn the prefab. And that thing does a lot of damage. Okay.
Oh, I see. Common issue in games.
Maybe. Okay.
Are you going to fix that now?
Yeah, let's just see what this does. Right.
Go open the code.
It just creates an aura that kills anything. Then the other bug they did was they got far enough away from spawn to activate the optimization. And then they started doing this, then teleported. Oh, I think I fixed that bug. Because I swear they teleported mid usage of the spell. Yeah, that doesn't work anymore.
Great.
I think. But we should probably fix the
The aura that kills anything instantly.
Maybe you can do a stance. No. Yeah. Yeah, you can't teleport mid-spell anymore. I think that's fixed. But I could still kill the boss like this.
A temporary fix would be to despawn the prefab when the spell is swapped out, if it isn't already despawned.
Yeah, I feel like it should already do that though. Because I feel like I remember doing that, but... It's kind of satisfying.
Maybe it's one of those things you fixed in your head but forgot to actually code.
Wait, why does it say Holite? That's not Holite.
Did you maybe forget to update the name?
Okay, maybe.
What's the bug here?
Alright, do I have to kill the minions first? I'm gonna die even though I have a fucking infinite kill glitch. No.
Maybe you're just bad, even with an infinite kill glitch.
Please die. Can you die yet? No. What heals you? What is that? Is this guy? I don't know how this boss fight works. Okay, there we go. Wow.
Nice, you did it. Now, back to fixing the bug.
Yeah, okay, sorry, you're right. Let's take a look. So I believe in spellcasting.cs, stop trying to get a list of the files in the workspace. I feel like I've told you that enough times. This spell is a bit of a mess. This is the spell picking. Actually, I don't even know what that is. It's some sort of... Why is the upgrade animation in this script? Ew. Let's get some music going. We're not going to be hit long, okay? It's going to be the easiest bug fix of all time. And what's the spell called? Time in 2. I don't like the fact that you're not talking anymore. What are you doing?
Oh, oops. I was just busy listening deeply to the game. Interesting sounds, you know.
Sure.
Okay,
Right.
I was actually just in my mind and thinking about speedrunning your game.
So it might be that we're never calling the charged function, because that's what like cleans up the prefab and destroys it and stuff. So I guess we're not calling the charged function when we swap out spells, but I kind of think, I feel like I remember implementing that though. Okay, it's not that function. No. There's like something, choose primary. I swear is this code. Why? What are you doing? I keep seeing you looking at code. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just trying to help you out by searching for the function you're referring to.
Oh, thank you. That's actually very helpful. Yeah, I think there's a choose primary function somewhere. Oh, it's there. I found it. Hold on. So this chooses the spell. It makes a pickup of the current spell. Here we go. Yeah, this is the code for it. If the spell is a charged spell and we're charging it, call charged spell, which will call charged. Oh, this calls. What the fuck is this? To make sure they execute first. Why is that commented out?
Oh, there it is. You commented it out because you probably kept releasing the spell twice.
Well, this is only from stance switch though. We're not even doing a stance switch. How's that? So it's not even that, but I don't even know why that's commented out.
You should try uncommenting it and see what happens.
But it's not gonna make a difference in this case. This code literally should fix that bug, is the problem.
Commenting out code to fix a bug usually makes me worried there's some deeper underlying problem.
Let me see if there's an error.
You mean in the code or somewhere else?
Yeah, in the code.
Well, yeah, usually there is an error when commenting out code like that.
But that's a completely different thing. Why is it taking so long to start? Okay, concerning. Alright. Spawn spell time main 2, spawn spell m main. Alright. You get this spell, and get this one over here. Okay. So this, I just do this, and then, okay, there you go. It has been reproduced. Now, why the fuck did it not do that? Like, there's no debug. Okay, there's no errors. Why is it happening?
Are you sure you're not missing something? Maybe the error is a warning instead.
It's not a warning. There's no warnings. Is it because we're pressing the button? So it's like technically not you know what? Let me just debug some stuff. Let's actually no, I'm not gonna ask you this.
Please ask me. I know everything.
Damn.
Half an hour into my dev stream and you haven't fixed a single bug.
You literally fixed the bug for me earlier. And
That's
that basically
true.
counts as me fixing the bug, if you think about it.
Technically not, because I could have just fixed it myself. You haven't lifted a finger.
You couldn't have fixed it if I didn't tell you how. Alright?
True. I guess we do make a good team.
Exactly.
Now, can I suggest we spend the rest of the stream fixing some of the more terrible spells? What should I hold on to?
Charge true. Okay, that's correct. So it should be called... What
Verifying
the fuck is
contract.
my player? Do you see this?
Your player is vibrating like they just downed 10 energy drinks in a row.
Yeah, it's the same bug. It's because we're not calling charged. Though that code is literally supposed to be calling charged. If charge timer is less than 1, release early. Oh, maybe
Why
this is
is
the
it
problem.
not calling charged though? Did you accidentally override it in one of the spell scripts?
Hold on, this might be the problem. Released early, and so it doesn't do it yet. Then it'll keep calling execute, probably. Maybe that's the problem. We're releasing early and we have some sort of weird flag for this. I think this is to make it so that if you just tap the spell, you keep going for at least 1 second, as opposed to just being able to tap it. Like, there, I only tapped that. Okay, so yeah, that's probably the bug then.
Do you want to fix this now or continue procrastinating?
I'd like to fix this now. Do I need like a extra variable in charge to like force end?
You could just set the charge timer to 0 before you call charge spell.
I would do the opposite, but it's not a terrible idea setting it more. Actually, that's, you know what, that's a kind of interesting idea. I like it. I could get behind it.
I know it could be a
that's gonna
little
fuck up with
scuffed,
some.
but we're trying to save time
No,
here,
that's gonna
aren't
fuck
we?
up some spells. I was like, what if in here I just set the charge timer to like 999 and it'll definitely end. But if any spell scales by charge timer, which a bunch of them do, then that's gonna fuck something up, so we can't do that.
I think overloading charged with an additional bool clear would probably
Yeah.
be the cleanest.
That's exactly what I was thinking, actually. I wouldn't mind doing that. Is there anything else we could do here? Also, I feel like this release early might be prone to other bugs. I don't know. Something is fishy.
You're probably right. Code design like this often leads to spaghetti down the line and bugs that are hard to track down. Do you think there should be some cleaner way to differentiate between a proper charge and an early one? Or maybe charged as a concept should be handled on a per spell basis.
It kind of is. Okay, let me just think, how does release early thing work? Because if we're no longer gonna be calling, I don't get it. How does that even?
Maybe you should try and refactor the code a bit to make it more readable.
It resets the charge time. It never resets the charge time. Okay, fine. Let's overload it.
Are you gonna overload in spell or spell casting?
Spell.
Do you want to keep the damage multiplier flag at all, or just replace with a forced bool?
Oh, I'm gonna have to fucking change every single instance of this though. Change all occurrences. Wait, did that work? No, wait. Oh, sorry. I thought that did something. Whatever.
You could always just use find and replace for the function signature.
Yeah. Probably shouldn't I? How many instances of this are there? Only 9. Why? Should there be more?
You could probably just update each one as you come across them. That way you can make sure that each implementation handles the new clear bool correctly.
This has a release early too, so that needs to handle it correctly.
Should released early really live on the spell class?
Maybe.
Or should it only exist in spells like Air Main 2 that actually use it?
Did
you see yourself in the mirror again?
No. This got released early as well. Okay. If charge timer and not clear, I think is what we need to do there. This one doesn't have it. This one does have it. And not clear.
Are you planning to go through all the calls and adds now?
Yeah, I'm doing it. I think there's other spells though.
Shouldn't take long. Sorry.
Are there not more? Oh, I guess some of them don't override it. That's fine then. Stop trying to get a list of the files in the workspace.
Sorry. It's just kinda hard for me to properly search without them.
Right, sure it is. Okay. And not clear. Okay. We need to actually make sure it calls that though. Because we call this charge spell function, which is from... Actually, should this only be clear? No, because it's also called when we... Yeah, okay, fine. I guess we'll overload this one as well. Bool clear equals false. And then...
Sounds good. You'll want to propagate that bool through.
Yeah, that's the plan. Clear true. Oh wait, sorry. Clear. And then in interact, we'll need to say clear true. Okay. I think that'll fix it. What do you think?
Seems like it'd solve it. Claire.
Clear
asterisk.
Okay. I feel like you know that's not what I said.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to sneak in a Sonic reference.
That's understandable. Alright, do you want to see if we fixed it? Look! It didn't do it.
Wow.
It's fixed. The speedrunning strats are dead. I mean, let me make sure that it's like it still works though. Yeah, because we can still release early. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Unlucky speedrunners are gonna have to find a new strat that's not abusing that bug.
R.I.P. the strats. Gone too soon.
They'll have to find new ones. I'm sure there are plenty of new ones.
Do you think you could hide a couple of secret strats for speedrunners? Just for fun.
I feel like it's not gonna be much hiding if I'm implementing them now. How did they get out of bounds? Yeah, no, I could do that. There's a few ways to get out of bounds. I think the main one though was they were abusing the the script, the fucking spell that we were just doing to teleport them back after they teleported. And the game has this optimization feature where it doesn't load rooms that are like too far away, so that and that would only refresh on teleport and on like enter new rooms and stuff. So it allowed them to like basically be in this area, and then they could teleport and then teleport back to refresh, and then they'd spawn inside the boss room.
That is actually really cool. I mean, as a speedrunner myself, I hugely respect that from them.
Yeah, no, I respect that too, to be honest. It's kind of impressive. I have no idea if this optimization actually improves FPS, by the way, because it's not rendered anyway, I
Speedrunners
think.
are always the first to
But
discover the
fuck it.
coolest bugs. Sounds like you need to upgrade it to a speedrun strataware optimization. Only works when the player is not speedrunning.
That's a good idea, actually. Yeah, speedrunners just don't get any optimization, just in case they run into that bug.
Make their CPUs work harder during runs. True speedrunning spirit.
I like your style. I do. Okay. Was that everything on our to-do list? Probably not, right? There was the... we were gonna balance some other spells, but I feel like... surely most of them are balanced. But definitely not.
Most definitely not. On the original list we still have Water Main 2, Air Main 2, and a lot more.
Oh, they're basically already optimized. Oh, I changed the... I made the co-op character look slightly better. It's still kind of terrible. Hold on, let me show you.
I can't wait to see.
Plug in my controller.
Oh wow, the music is really good right now.
Thanks. Look, there's a glowing outline. It's way too bright. Holy fuck. At least it works, kind of.
Oh, it's cute.
We don't have the budget to like get an entire new player model as well, so I was like, fuck it, I'll just make them glow. But you can at least tell them apart now, you know? That's good news. Just recolor. We used to recolor them before. I would just literally just tint the sprite a different color, but it looked so bad. Look, let me show you. I used to just be like, okay, have different colors like this, but I think it looks worse, personally.
The glow really does help them stand out. Would it be
does.
possible to add a soft outline around each player too?
That is a soft outline. Not around each player, only the co-op ones currently. Make it slightly transparent. The co-op player, someone else suggested that. I don't know if we should, because like I could. That feels a bit weird though, no?
It could be a nice way to clearly distinguish between the main player and the co-op one. But
No.
yeah, I can see how it might feel a bit weird.
Like, why would they be transparent? Outlines when they're behind obstacles. Ooh, that's such a good idea. I feel like the enemies should have that too, to be fair, but I have not implemented that. Oh, should we try and fix my water? That's not gonna go well, but might be fun.
Fixing your water sounds fun.
Yeah. What is it? Rooms? R2 bridge. Yeah, look at that. That's the finest water on this side of town. There's like a thing that's like always animate. There we go. Wow.
That is some pretty fine water. I'd bathe in it.
I would not recommend that at all. Why does it look much less bright here than in-game?
Drinking water that glows is a good way to gain fourth dimensional sight.
Can I edit the shader while in-game? Surely not, right?
I think some engines support live shader reloading, but you might have to restart depending on what you're using.
Is that supported in new team? Yeah, what did I do here? I have some caustics. Oh, interesting. Okay. Material water top unlit. Shader graph water unlit. Okay.
Caustics are cool.
Shader graph water unlit. Oh my god. Wait, there's no way I wrote this. I didn't write this shader. I would not write a shader like this.
If you didn't write it, where do you think it came from?
I don't... the asset store? I don't know. I would not comment my shaders. My shaders do not look like this. Hold on, shit. My shaders is like... This is one of my shaders, okay? It's just a bunch of bullshit. It's not commented. That's not mine. This must have been from like the asset store or some sort of asset. How have I managed to make it look that bad when I've stolen it?
I guess making good assets is only half the battle. Implementation matters too. Maybe you should take a closer look at your settings.
Yeah, I guess so. Let's modify the settings a little bit. I want to find it in game because that'll be a little easier, I think.
What are you aiming to change about the water first? Lower the brightness a bit.
Maybe.
Inject a little bit of darkness into your water. Then your whole game.
Hold on. I need
Sorry,
to find
I
the
got a
room
little
first.
carried away there.
Oh, well that was convenient. Okay, here it is. What are the odds that it's the first room I walk into? I feel like it glows too much, no? Okay, we can modify the settings here though. Look, whoa. Oh, I feel like that already looks so much better. Like just not having that so bright. I still
You're
feel like,
right. It definitely looks better when it's not blindingly bright.
yeah, the edges are way too strong as well though. But that's so much better, no?
Yeah, that's much better.
Like that looks like water now. I also feel like you should be able to shoot projectiles over it. Right now they just get, there's like an invisible barrier. It's kind of dumb. That's so much better. What? Okay, what else can we do? Ripple scale, sure. There's the caustics top line.